Hello. This video revolves around different minor tasks that anyone should learn in case they need to work on repairing goods, construction work, wood, and electrical work on their own without hiring professional services. Here are the details of every task. The short cutter can make large circle cuts with a small adjustment, as seen in the video. The video shows that the wire joints are also made using the drill, where you can swing the wires to make a strong spiral bond. The video shows a person using a drilling machine to suck and drain water through a pipe. The video shows the application of liquid insulation for covering electrical damages and wire joints. The pipe patch, covered by either plastic or rubber jaws, is used to control the leakage of the pipe. Cutting using a drill in different patterns is done using different shaped molds to shape the cut according to your requirements. The sharp edges jaws help cut plastic pipes by rolling them around them and using force. The drilled bottle of paint on the brush is used for small paintwork and is an excellent alternative to spray paint. Hand-driven manual chains and wire cutters enable an individual to cut the exact length accurately. digital thickness measuring gauge enables you to measure the thickness of small items. The video shows that a manual drill with the sharp-edged drill bit is used to pave the way for the working of the electric drill. The videos showed a modern cutter with multiple jaws to perform different cutting and holding tasks. The double-pin wire connectors connect two wires, which is a safe and risk-free method. The videos showed how a straw fork with a pedal could be used for digging the soil.